She's in her nest now.
No, she's not. She's bouncing around. It's Nacho Diego. There's a little nest by that stump that Kiannah found. And there's 5 little eggs in it. And we've been watching this little bird hop around in this tree for the last 2 nights. And we just figured out why. Kiannah was the smartest one to look. She's in her nest now, huh?
It's Nacho Dora
Oh,
now,
there she is.
because she's a mommy.
Oh. And that right there is a mosquito bite. Right there, that just happened like 2 minutes ago. And there's our little friend Nacho Diego.
Nacho
Mrs.
Dora.
Oh, Dora. Nacho Dora.
Nacho Dora.
She's just hanging out with Kiannah and her armpit and Dayton. He likes the Trojans. How amazing are they? And again, that is my mosquito bite on my thumb. And yes, it does hurt. How do you like me now?
I love it.
How do you like me now?
I don't know.
Cody.
He almost ate Nacho Dora.